Hi, it's Mike Stevenson. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Turbo 360 and we're going to look at the cost analyzer and look at reviewing some costs by service name. So over here, I'm in my Turbo 360 instance. I'm looking at document 360 down here. We're looking in the analysis section, and I've just opened up a new graph here just to show how this feature works. So if we take a look on the screen here. So the couple of new things we added are just some options in the drop down here for things like service name and meter. So service name is quite a handy way of being able to look at your costs from a sort of holistic perspective, where the APIs kind of group in your costs by some quite sort of user-friendly names, like things like it's easy to see my app service, my storage, without the more detailed resource sort of name types, which are a bit more verbose. So what I can do here in Turbo 360, then if we look here, we've got a very simple graph. If I want to dig into my app service costs, you can see I can click on it here and we can go, right, let's take a look by meter. So this is going to open a new tab up and it's going to pre-configure up here. It's kind of pre-configured all of the various sort of settings here as a kind of click through from the previous graph. So down here you can see I'm now looking from my app services under the context of document 360. I'm looking at the breakdown by different meters within the app service. I can also then do a click through again. So if I wanted to say we want to look at say a P1 V2 app, I can do a click through. I can look at meter subcategory and I can dig into that, and it would tell me a bit more information about kind of the, drilling down the different levels. This gives you a lot of ways to kind of use this data. You can obviously do the same thing for, actually, if we go back to the original one, we just change that to a table. Sorry, a table here. So you can do the same click through. Maybe this time, actually, I want to click through and just look at the individual resources. So that'll just open it up and run that query and give me the individual resource level details for the click through into the app service to see which app services have I got. Over here we've got the details about how much each of them are costing me, and it gives me a really easy way to mine into my cost data to do that analysis to understand where my money's going. Hopefully that's a handy little tip video just to show how you can start investigating your costs within the context of an application or a team, or however you configure that tree view on the left. It's all about making it easy to mine your cost data. Thank you for listening. Have a great week.